everybody, the Lord be with you and also with you. Thank you very much. Today we're continuing with the theme of gratitude, aka thankfulness. Last week we specifically spoke about saying thank you for our food. I wonder if this week you guys managed. You may not have actually started off the week with that intention, but have you said thank you to God for any of your meals this week? It's okay if you haven't, I'm not judging or anything, but I wonder if that assembly meant anything to you. If you truly believe that God is the reason that you have food on your table, why not say thank you to him? So this week it's all about remembering to say thank you. Now, memory is a tricky thing. Not everyone has a fantastic memory. Take me for example. I have a memory like Dory. I pretty much forget things the moment they're spoken to me. If you try and get me to remember year 6 maths, so memory is not a strong point for me, but I wonder if it is for you. We're going to find out. But just before we get to that, I do have a thought that I want to leave with you. We all know, well, most of us know, okay, if you've read the Bible, you know the character Mary, aka Jesus' mum. One example of remembering and choosing to say thank you is the story of Mary. She wasn't really ready to become a mum. She wasn't even married to Joseph yet. They were planning on getting married, but they weren't even there yet. And suddenly she's pregnant. And it's like, whoa, that's a big deal. And it was really scary for her. But even in all of that chaos, she was calm. And she was able to say thank you to God. And she realized what a miracle and what a blessing it was for her to be chosen to be the mother of Jesus. Of all the people living on the world at that point, he chose Mary. So do you remember to say thank you, even for simple things? Carrying the King of Kings and Creator of the world in human form in your womb is not simple. It's crazy. So if Mary can give thanks for something that was so crazy, such a cool blessing, but such a crazy blessing, if she can remember to give thanks for that, I think we can give thanks for the food on our table, for the sun in the sky, for a roof over our heads, for clothes. I love clothes. So with our theme being remembering to say thank you, I want to test your memory. On the screen, there are going to be a series of images. The first image is just going to be, something normal. I want you to memorize that image, and then the same image will come up again, but with something different. You have to work out what it is that has changed. Then there'll be another photo with another change, and then I'll give you guys a brief pause to work out what has changed the whole time before then showing you the original image to reveal what had changed. And at some point during all this, a teacher or a chosen pupil, you need to write down what it is you think has changed. Or if you have paper available, then every student in the room can have a piece of paper and a pen, and they can write down themselves what they think changed per image. And you could even make it a competition between the whole class. And see if you can get all the changes correct before the truth is revealed on the screen. And I'll let you know every step of what's going on as well. And teachers, feel free to pause on each image in order to get a better look. I'm only going to leave it on the screen for 3 seconds. So if you pause at some point, then you'll get longer than 3 seconds to look at it. Otherwise, you will just get 3 seconds between each picture, which I don't think is long enough to even write one word. So the quiz is coming up for you now. You'll have 3 images in total, the original image, then you'll have an image where something has changed, and then you have another image where another thing has changed, and then you'll have the original image shown again. Good luck. Make sure you pause on the images so you get lots and lots of chances to have a look. There will only be one thing per picture that has changed. Have fun, rock it, see you in a bit. welcome back. Did you find all the changes? If so, well done. Dory from Finding Nemo is a perfect example of someone with not so good memory, as she forgets every 7 seconds, whereas elephants never forget. Or I don't know about never, but they have such an incredible memory that it is believed that they don't forget anything. That's why I have a picture of an elephant in my bedroom, because I love the irony. So how is your memory? Can you remember to say thank you even for little things? And big things. Big things are important to say thank you for too. Also. Well done. Have a fantastic rest of your day. I pray that we all remember to say thank you in our day-to-day lives. Amen. Now go in peace to love and serve the Lord. In the name of Christ. Amen. Thank you guys for watching. Tune in next week. Bye.